A rainy day paragraph. A rainy day carries a unique charm that evokes a spectrum of emotions and sensations. When raindrops start their rhythmic dance upon the earth, there's a sense of tranquility that envelops the surroundings. The world seems to slow down as the gentle pitter-patter of rain creates a soothing melody, inviting introspection and contemplation. The air is charged with a refreshing coolness, and the earth releases a distinct earthy fragrance that awakens the senses. Indoors, the sound of rain against windows is a comforting backdrop, making spaces feel cozy and snug. It's a perfect time to curl up with a book, enjoy a cup of hot tea, or simply watch the rain's graceful descent. The world outside undergoes a transformation, with colors appearing more vivid against the gray backdrop. Streets glisten with rainwater, and the urban landscape takes on a different character. For some, a rainy day is an invitation to slow down and take a break from the usual hustle and bustle. It offers a chance to embrace solitude, engage in creative pursuits, or simply engage in leisurely conversations with loved ones. On the other hand, it can also be an opportunity for adventure, jumping into puddles, feeling the rain on your skin, and letting go of inhibitions. In nature, plants and trees eagerly drink in the life-giving water, coming alive with vibrant hues and revived energy. Animals take shelter, and the world seems to pause for a brief moment, as if caught in the soothing embrace of the rain. In essence, a rainy day brings with it a blend of serenity, nostalgia, and a touch of magic. It's a reminder of the cyclical nature of life and the beauty that can be found even in the simplest of moments. Whether spent indoors or venturing out, a rainy day has the power to stir emotions and create lasting memories.